excited. Today I came up with the exciting stuff. I'm going to demonstrate floaty pens to you. Look, floaty pens. I like floaty pens. Let's do it. Let me draw some picture. Let me draw a spider. Let's add some water. Wait a minute. Let's add some water. It's coming, look. Let's blow it.
Wow!
It's working. Let's make a sticker in our hand. Look! Let me draw a jellyfish. Blue color jellyfish. Let's add some water. Look, it's going. It's walking.
Wow!
The jellyfish is moving. Let's make a sticker in our hand. Look. Look, if we rub it, it will go. Now, next let's draw a balloon, a purple balloon. Let's wipe it, or else it will not come. A little more, I think. Yes, it's now good. Now let's draw a balloon, a purple balloon. It's purple. A balloon. Let's add some water. Look, it's coming. It's coming up. Look. Oh, let's add some water here. Yes, it came. Look. Look. The balloon is flying in the sky. Andrea's vlog. Hope you like it. Give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.